Hey guys, welcome to another self-shot video of mine. I just got off the phone with a good friend of mine who, called me and wanted to know what it would take to hire me to handle his taxes this year. And, obviously his first question was, well, what do you charge to get taxes done, right? And it just kind of made me think that if the average person has a question on price, as soon as they talk about getting their taxes done, then it means they don't quite understand the difference between using, one of these automated tools like TurboTax or TaxSlayer and actually hiring a professional to get your taxes done. And so I thought it would be important to make a quick video about that, right? If you're not familiar with me, my name is Fabrice Metan. I'm the owner of a tax and accounting company called Simplify My Numbers. I'm an accountant with 10 plus years of experience, and my passion is to crunch numbers and crush them. And by crush, what I mean is simplify them for my clients to alleviate any tax issues, payroll headaches, and bookkeeping problems, right? So what's the difference between using an automated tool to file your taxes and do it by yourself, or hiring a professional to get your taxes done? That difference actually revolves around two things: tax compliance, okay, and tax planning. Now, tax compliance is simply the extent to which you comply with the Internal Revenue Code and all of its rules, right? So, you declare all of your income from all of your paperwork. You put the right information in the right boxes on the right forms, things of that kind. And when you use tools like TurboTax, they're great. Okay, they're great for tax compliance because all you have to do is just answer a few questions, enter the numbers, enter a few numbers here and there, and the system would put everything on the right places for you. However, when it comes to tax planning, okay, that's a whole different thing, right? When it comes to tax planning, that's when you might want to talk to a professional. And here's why. If you are in a place right now where you're very happy, very comfortable with, your financial situation, and you're happy with that situation remaining the same for the rest of your life, more power to you. You're blessed and you got to continue to do what you've been doing. However, if you're like 90% of the people that I talk to be completely honest with you, most of them are looking to get in a much better position over the next few years, right? Even if they're doing really well right now, they're generally wanting to do even better, right? By investing more, saving more, finding ways to either go back to college or getting their kids through college, investing into new stocks, buying some rental properties, doing a lot of different things that in the end start changing your situation. It makes your situation a whole lot different from where it was before. And so as soon as your situation gets a little weird, where, you just got married or you just have kids now, and you have, different things that are going on in your life that you can't seem to understand how that affects your position from where you were before, that's when you need to start asking the questions. That's when you need to talk to a professional. Even if you made money last year through a refund, right? You have to always ask yourself the question, okay, I made $3,000 refund last year, but did I leave any money on the table? Could I have done something different? And those are the question that you have to kind of ask yourself when you get into a new year and you know that your situation right now is different from before, or when you know that you're trying to plan, your future, your present and your future to do a lot better. Right now is the time, especially with, new W-4 forms and things like that, which I will make another video on. You have to kind of ask yourself the question if it is possible for you to get in a better place. And, in one of my other videos, I shared that a great number of single taxpayers paid 29.6% of their income in taxes in 2018. And I thought that number was crazy, right? And so you have to understand that if taxes is going to be one of the biggest expense that you're going to have throughout your life, it has to be part of your wealth strategy. And so when you understand that and you understand the importance of planning, that's when you have to hire a professional to help you with that. So I hope that helps, and we'll see you on the next video.